Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Pimsleur, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Pimsleur website URL. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on sign in to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. Then click the login button to proceed. If you don't have an account yet, look for the sign up option. Click on sign up to create a new account. Fill in the required information such as your name, email, and password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Once logged in, navigate to the Courses section from the main menu. Browse through the available language courses to find your preferred one. Click on the course title to view more details. On the course page, you'll find an option to start a free trial or purchase the course. If you choose to start a free trial, click on the corresponding button. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information if required. After completing the payment process, you will gain instant access to the course. Return to the main dashboard to see your selected course in My Courses. Click on the course to begin your lessons. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available resources. To start a lesson, select the first session available. Follow the audio prompts and participate actively in the exercises. Take notes as you progress to enhance your learning experience. To track your progress, regularly check the progress section in your account. Feel free to explore supplementary materials available for your chosen course. Engage with any community features if they're offered on the platform. Utilize the app for learning on the go if available for your device. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help Center for support options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.